Hello class 5. Welcome back to your English language class children. So today we will do relative pronouns. Okay, as you all know that we were doing the chapter pronouns, isn't it? So we have completed up to page number 30, isn't it? That indefinite pronouns, and today we are going to start with relative pronouns. So take out your book and open your book at page number 30. Okay, and we will do relative pronouns. Are you all ready with your pencil? So be ready with your pencil and I'll explain. Wherever required you can underline. Okay, so let us start. Relative pronouns. This is number 7, isn't it? So relative pronouns means what? So we use relative pronoun to join two sentences. I'll show you an example also. So we use relative pronouns to join two sentences that have the same noun and pronoun in them. Means what? There are two sentences, okay? And both the sentences has got same noun or pronoun in them, and we use a pronoun and join the two sentences, and the word that and the pronoun that will join both the sentences is known as relative pronoun. I'll give you one example. See, I have written two sentences. Ram's father is a doctor. First sentence, and the second sentence is he lives in Germany. Okay, these are two sentences. In this sentence, what you can see, Ram's father and he both are same person, isn't it? Here in the second sentence, he lives in Germany refers to whom? He lives in Germany. He refers to Ram's father. He is Ram's father. So what we said there, relative pronouns are used to join two sentences that have same noun or pronoun in them, isn't it? Now how we will join the two sentences? See, we have joined the two sentences like this. Ram's father is a doctor who lives in Germany. Okay, with this pronoun we have joined both the sentences. And what happened, as it is relative pronoun, so it is relating who? Who is related to Ram's father, isn't it? Relating Ram's father with doctor, isn't it? They are the same person. So Ram's father is a doctor who lives in Germany. So here who is used as relative pronoun. Is it clear? I'll give you more examples from the book. It will be more clearer to you. Okay. Now see, like that, who, whose, and which are relative pronoun. It's given here. Okay. Now see, that, who, whose, and which are relative pronouns. We use relative pronoun after a noun. We use relative pronoun after a noun to make it clear which person or thing is talked about in a sentence. Like Ram's father is a doctor. Ram's father is a doctor who. So what we have done, the noun is used before the relative pronoun, isn't it? To make the thing clear about whom we are talking. Okay. Now we use relative pronoun to tell us more about a person or thing. Now why we are using the second sentence, who lives in Germany. Now here I am giving you more information about Ram's father. First of all, I told you Ram's father is a doctor. Now I am adding information to it. So relative pronoun tells us more about a person or a thing. What I said, he lives in Germany. So it is the added information that I am giving you about Ram's father, isn't it? So relative pronouns tells us more about a person or a thing. Clear? Now read below the uses of relative pronouns. See, these are the uses of relative pronoun. So you will have to read this and then the things will be clearer to you. Now see, that. That is used when referring to either a living thing or non-living thing. It means what? we can use that for both living things and non-living things. Okay. Now who? Who is used when referring to a living thing only. Here see Ram's father is living thing as a human being, so we are using who. Clear? And whose is a possessive, isn't it? Whose is possessive, whose book is this? So whose is used as possessive, belongingness. Now which, when do we use which? We have already learned in the previous class, which is used when referring to a non-living noun. That noun that is non-living, like this pencil. Okay, so this is the pencil which belongs to that person. Okay, so which is used when we refer it to non-living noun. Clear? The noun to which a relative pronoun refers or relate it is called as antecedent. Now what is antecedent? The noun to which relative pronouns refers or relates is called antecedents. Now I'll give you more example, like Daddy brought the car. The car needs repairs. Okay, now daddy brought the car that needs repair. Now what needs repair? The car. Isn't it? See, the car is written in blue. Okay, so the car is antecedent. Clear? Is it clear? The noun to which the relative pronoun refers or relates is known as antecedent. Here in this sentence, the sentence I am giving the example from the book itself. Okay, see the example. Daddy bought the car. The car needs repairs. So daddy bought the car that needs repair. Here which one is relative pronoun? That, isn't it? Now it is relating to what? To the car. So the car is antecedent. Is it clear? Now turn the page, come to page number, move to page number 3131. This is 3131. I'll give you more example from the book. I'll explain. See, I met a boy. The boy lives in Green Park. Now I met a boy who lives in Green Park. See here, a boy who. So here who is what? Who is relative pronoun and a boy. Okay, so who is referring to the boy. Okay, so a boy is antecedent. Clear? Is it clear? Next one. Sonia went to the market with Neha. Neha's father is in the army. See, Sonia went to the market with Neha, whose father is in the army. So whose? Here whose is what? Whose is relative pronoun. And whose refers to whom? Whose refers to whose father? Neha's father. So Neha is antecedent. Clear? One more example. Do you know the girl? I gave the girl my grammar book. See, do you know the girl to whom I gave my grammar book? Here, whom is what? Whom is relative pronoun. Now, it is referring to whom? To the girl, which is written in blue. The girl. And whom is what? Whom is the relative pronoun. It is referring to the girl, isn't it? So, do you know the girl? Okay. To whom I gave my book, my grammar book. So, here the girl is antecedent and whom is what? Whom is the relative pronoun. Is it clear? Is it clear? So, if not, you can ask me, read the examples once again properly. You will come to know. Okay. Now, in the sentences, we have read that the words that, who, whose and whom are relative pronouns. Isn't it? The word in blue, as it is given in the book, the car, a boy, Neha and the girl are antecedents. Okay, have you got the difference between relative pronouns and the antecedents? Means the relative pronoun that refers to the person or thing is antecedent. Okay, clear? So, I think now we can do the exercise. So, in the next class, we will do the exercise. Thank you.